Hi, I'm Emma Seddon and I am Seed's Indian head massage therapist, and I'm going to help you, give you a couple of tips to help with tension, headaches, any kind of sinus pain, any sort of pain really you're experiencing in your head, just to try and alleviate some of that pressure. I know I've been experiencing a few headaches recently. They're clearly tension headaches. I'm not really a headachy person, and these have really helped. So I'm going to try and demonstrate on myself. They're really easy for you to do. So a tension headache is going to be anything that's across the top of your head, that tight sort of band around your head, possibly down to your neck. You'll feel it in your shoulders. Sinus pain is going to be more concentrated behind your cheekbones, up to your eyes and your ears, and just again feel tight, possibly a bit swollen. A lot of these points will work for either, but I'm just going to give you a very general treatment that you can do on yourself. So fingers either side of nostrils, press and open, and breathe. And just hold it there for 2 or 3 minutes, applying pressure and just opening out the airways. Circular motion clockwise for about 1 or 2 minutes. It'll help with the sinus pain. Again, at the top of the nose. Hold that for about a minute. And then index fingers, the base, the corner of your eyebrows, and just press up. Again, there's a really nice point actually. I like this one. This just feels instant relief. Again, you can hold it for as long as you like. 2 or 3 minutes is ideal. And afterwards, I like to get my middle fingers, and I can use some oil. And I'm going to start from the middle, and I'm just going to follow the eye socket up and drain out. And again, up over the eyebrows and out. And I just keep doing that. Just trying to drain, open up the lymphatic system, and just drain and imagine you're just easing all of that tension out. So there's a couple of points on the back of the head that I'm going to show you. Might not come across that well, but I'm going to get the thumbs and I'm going to put them at the base of my skull where the sort of muscles meet the neck. And I'm going to splay my hands across the rest of my head. And I'm just going to press my thumbs in, and I'm going to hold them for about 4 or 5 seconds. And then I am going to move with my fingers. I'm going to keep my thumbs still, and I'm going to use my fingers to move the skin of my scalp, without moving my head. So I'm going to turn around to see if that gives you a better idea. Sort of have to go into the hair. And the idea is you want to move the skin and just loosen all that sort of fascia away across the skull. So you should be able to move backwards and forwards, side to side. And then once you've got that, little circular motions with your fingertips all over your skull. Okay. And literally, you're not pressing hard, but you're just enough to move the skin. Another really nice one is to hold and support one side of your head, clasp a handful of hair and just give it a gentle tug like that, and then move to another part all over your head. And that can feel quite nice. So I hope I've given you a few tips and I hope they work for you. Thank you very much.